Hello, my name is Jessica Kovac, and for my informational interview, I chose to speak with an executive assistant from Verizon Wireless. My interviewee was Adelcy Rebozo. After graduating from Berkeley Business School, she then got her first job at the Robinson Wayne, Levitz and LaSalle law firm as a word professor. After that job, she then moved to Verizon Wireless as an executive assistant. Verizon is a very well-known multinational telecommunications company. The mission statement of Verizon is, "We deliver the promise of the digital world to our customers. We make the innovative lifestyle possible. We do it all through the most reliable network and the latest technology, value and culture, integrity, respect, performance excellence, accountability. We focus outward on the customer, not inward." This is something that all Verizon's employees live by. Topic areas of organizational behavior. I chose to focus on diversity and emotions and moods. I believe that these two topics are important in the workplace. Having diversity is important to have because it can make a business more successful and bring more ideas to the table. After talking with Adelcy, she explains that Verizon embraces diversity and looks past your race and focuses on the talent of the individual. Going into work with a bad mood isn't the best, but after talking to coworkers about why she is in a bad mood, she usually gets into a better mood and can continue her work. Here are some key takeaways from the informational interview. I thought that having diversity is important for an organization. Not only do you feel welcome, but you can also learn a lot from other people and come up with better ideas as a group. I also learned that it is important to understand time management and be able to juggle the many tasks that are thrown at you once. Adelcy explained that the benefits of working at Verizon and the bonuses and promotions one can make while working there. Being friendly to your coworkers is also good because it creates a better environment for everyone to work in. Here are some things that I enjoyed about the interview. Adelcy had a great personality and seemed to love the organization she worked for. Some answers that I found interesting was that the most challenging part of her job is to complete all the different tasks thrown at her at once. We learn in school about time management and complain about assignments that are due on the same day, but it still happens even in the work field. She also explained how they hire interns and how it is beneficial. Because Verizon is a big corporation, they have all different departments working in the same building, and you can choose between any departments. She also emphasized that the different departments interact a lot and are very friendly. This relates to our course because in the text it describes diversity and emotions and moods in the workplace. Diversity has its advantages and disadvantages. In the text, it explains how diversity can create challenges, but it can also increase performance. Verizon seems to embrace diversity and use it to their advantage to get more people working together effectively. In the course, we talk about how at different times of the day, workers' moods change throughout the day, depending on the time. Adelcy also explained how her moods change on Friday because she is looking forward to the weekend. Whenever she encounters someone in a bad mood, she tries to stay away and focus on her work that needs to be done. She states, "If someone is negative or nasty, you do not want to interact with them, and if they are part of your team, you have to find alternate ways to get your job done." For my future profession, I ultimately hope to find a job that I love and have fun doing. I am double majoring in marketing and management. After having this interview, I learned a lot of valuable things that have prepared me for my future career. Although I am still unsure with what I want to do, I know wherever I go, I will encounter diversity and emotions and moods within the workplace. I also learned that Verizon is a great corporation to work for because it has great benefits pay increases, and bonuses. It also gives the option to move around to different departments, as well as opportunities to be promoted. When I asked Adelsie what she likes most about her job, she said the people she works with. This shows that other people's moods and emotions can affect everyone, and it is important to know how to work with that and diversity. And this is my works cited page.